Hello, hello. Yeah. Hello. So today we will start with a problem that is called to implement the circular linked list. So the problem is like that. Suppose I have given a linked list. These are the nodes. This is my head. Can make it at his head. And these are the nodes. Okay. And suppose I have taken my size. The maximum size that I can make is 5. So what will happen is there? What will happen here is that firstly, if I have four elements, then the last element should point to the my first element, so it will be the circular. And uh, and suppose if I have my size is, like, suppose I have these nodes in my linked list. Okay, now, and this is pointing to the first one. Okay, this is my head. And you can say that this is my tail. Okay, now I wanted to add another element, that is 6. So what should happen is that I hitted my maximum size. So what should be happen here is that the one should be firstly one should be get deleted. So I have to delete one first, then add 6. And also I have to update my head and tail, if I'm considering that I have also tail. So it will give me ease of not running a loop to find the tail. Yeah, so in that way I have to insert. So these are the cases. So if there is less elements compared to my the maximum size that a circular linked list can take, then I will simply add a element in my last, that is my tail. So there are three conditions could be happen. First is condition that head is null. If head is null, these are the cases that I am taking when I am trying to insert an element. Okay, so first case could be happen is that head is null. Second case could happen is that size is less than my max size. And third case could be happen is that I'm trying to add an element, and that element increases the size greater than my max size. So these are all the cases that could be happen here. Okay, so if I don't have any head, so what will I do is that I will assign, firstly I will create a new node uh, that I am trying to insert. I suppose I take one here. Okay, new node, and make my head as the new node. And also tail also, it will be also the tail, because I am only have one element. Now this is the first case. Now coming to the second case, what will happen is that In the second case, my maximum size is not hit it, but I have some elements. Suppose my maximum size is 5 and I have only 3 elements, and I'm trying to add an element which only increases my size to 4. So what will I do is that this is my tail and this is my head. So I will not and this will be in this fashion. So what I will do is that firstly I will create a new node here also. I will create new node. I will create my new node. Okay, that has value 3. Okay. Now after that, my tail next is pointing to head, but what I will update here, and I will make my tail head to the new node, and my new node next will be the equal to my head. Okay. Now coming to the third case. In this case, I have already 5 elements, and I'm trying to add another element which has value, I guess, 6. Okay, I take. Now this is my tail, this is my head, and this is in the my circular fashion. Okay. Now, and I am okay. I will take a size. I will update my size accordingly what I am doing. So okay, I will discuss it about later. Okay, about the size. Okay, so I wanted to add the sixth element. So what will I do is that I have to firstly delete first the head one. I have to delete first head. Delete head. So I will if I will add 6 at the head, and rest of the things will be the same. And update my tail. Tail is this and head will be this. So I wanted to do like that. So how I will do is that firstly I will point my tail next to my new node. Okay, tail will be pointing to my tail next will be the new node, and new node next will be equal to new node next will be equal to my head next. Okay, so in that I have connected 6 with my first one, with my second, and deleted the first, but I have to still not deleted the one, but just I have just I have added the still one is present here, and this one's next is pointing to 2, and this still is present. So what I will do is that I will delete my one. So I will take a node star t will be equal to my head, and I will delete. Before deleting, firstly I will update my head equal to head next. Also I have to update my tail. Now tail will be my 6, before it is will be 5, so I will also update my tail equal to tail next. And one thing is one thing is left, that I have to delete t. So in this way, I will able to add the 6 and able to delete 1. So this is the case in which will be happen when I am trying to insert element in a circular linked list. Okay. Now let us come to the how I will delete. So this is all about the insert. Now come to the delete an element. Okay. So three cases can be here also. First case would be head is null, equal to null. Second case could be the I am trying to delete element. And the third case could be if he hitted the size. No, it could no, there will be no further. I think there will be only two cases. Okay. So if first case, coming to the first case, my head is null, matlab I don't have any node, my head is null, so then I can simply return false. I will take my delete function as a bool, and it will return true if I able to delete, and will return false if unable to delete. Okay. In the second case, what will happen is that I have some elements. In this case also, I will taking my max size as 5. Okay, and this is connected in this way. This is my head. This is my tail. Okay, and I'm trying to delete from the head. So for deleting, I will take my node star t equal to head, get the head value. Now I will update my head. I have to update my head, then I will delete that. Okay. And there are some more checks that I have to add when there is only one element, which could be for checking the null. uh okay, so I got my head. Now I have to point my tail next to the head next, because I wanted to delete this element. So my tail next will be equal to my head next, and also I will update my head equal to head next. And I delete my T, that is my head. But if suppose if I have only one element and I am coming to delete, I am at the head, and my tail is also this. So I will take my T as head, and tails next. Tails next is pointing to head next. Head next. So there will be no element. So I have to add one check also here. If head next not, matlab it doesn't have any head next. So I simply point it to the null. Tail next equal to null. So after implementing it, tails next will equal to null. Tails next will be equal to null, and head I have deleted. Head I have deleted, and tails also I have deleted. So no element is present. My head tail is pointing to next. Head equal to head next. Is head next is not presented, then head is also pointing to null. So head is pointing to null, and tail is also pointing to null in this case. And suppose the size will be take care by the insert function. Now if I try to insert here, I will also check it. If I try to insert here, so my head is null, tail is also null. So insert function, what will we do is that it will make an element, it will make a node, that is new node, and point head to the new node, and also tail to the new node. So one node will be added here, pointing to the new node, and tails next will be equal to head. I have added this or not? This is my head, this is my tail. Not added here, so also I have to write tails next equal to head. Now if I have one element, then null will not be hit. So I have one element here, that is this is my head, and this is also my tail. So I will make a new element. Okay, now tails next will be equal to new node. This one will be added. New node next will be equal to head. Okay, yep. So size will be increase here. So in this case, size plus plus, if I add an element size here also, size, which will be int si. In this case size plus plus, and in this case also size will be plus plus. And in this case I am deleting one element, adding one element, so there will be no increment in the size. No increment, size plus plus, not here. In the deleting case, if head is not present, then no need to write size minus minus, because I am not able to delete. And in this case I have deleted one, so I have to also do size minus minus here. So these are the function that needed to be implemented. Insert contains 3 cases, and remove contain 2 cases. This is my circular linked list. Okay, so in that way I can able to implement my circular linked list. And yep, okay, thanks.